Okay, so this is a big classroom here at Virginia Tech. This is in Davidson Hall. So things I would like to point out about this classroom. Regardless of the size, every classroom is equipped with different tools to help the student learn, and also to make sure, regardless of where you're sitting, you still get the same learning experience. So one thing I'd like to point out, each classroom has document cameras. It also has AV hookups, also HDMI hookups, so you can see and you can hear everything that's coming from the professor's laptop if they want you to. Everyone has giant projectors that are state of the art, so therefore you can see clearly everything that's going on. Now this is a science related classroom, so you can see the sinks, you can also see the blackboards behind me, for equations and things like that. Now I'm going to walk up the stairs so you can just kind of see, regardless of where you're sitting in this auditorium, it's still a good seat. Also, this auditorium has TVs, in the back rows, so you can even more clearly see what's going on in the front. So there are various different tools in each classroom to help you, enhance your learning experience and to make sure you're getting all the knowledge and you are able to see. Because I know I'm guilty of it sometimes. You're running late and you just have to sneak into the back of the classroom because you don't want to disrupt the class. So, however, what I say commonly is, if you sit in the first 3 rows, it makes the class feel a lot smaller if you like the smaller classroom set. Now, one thing I would like to talk about, though, are the numbers that we boast. Even though we are a big university, only 7.7% of classes are over 100 students. Furthermore, only 7.8% of classes are taught by teaching assistants. So teaching assistants, those are highly qualified individuals that had to apply for a competitive position and, are teaching a class for a professor. However, you can always get in contact with the professor, and they're going to be mainly freshman level classes or bigger classes or not necessarily bigger classes like this, but classes that a lot of people have to take that are broken into smaller sections. A majority of classes here on campus are going to be the 20 to 29 student range, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with classes of that size. Now also, if you need help within these classes, we also have the Student Success Center, which offers tutoring services, and they also have a GPA recovery program. So plenty of different amenities and plenty of different things to help you as a student, even if you are in a big classroom, and even if you do have concerns about that, all your concerns will be put to rest.